There is a guy who works in his region, represents world chefs in his school, in his faculty, and is a long-lasting member of the World Association of Chef Societies. President Medal goes to Ahmed Shafiq from Pakistan. Ahmed. A lot with his students, and he has a lot of students actually here as well. He brought them from Pakistan, and I'm very, very proud of this. Ahmed, well deserved. Thank you so much.
Thank you, President. World Chefs is a wonderful forum for chefs around the world, and I have seen that since 14 years of our membership with World Chefs, 40,000 young chefs are trained in Pakistan, and they are working all around the world. And our contribution for women is very important in Pakistan. We started to bring women into commercial kitchen, and now they are very confident and growing very fast all around the world. So thank you very much, all members of World Chefs. And it's an amazing forum, amazing networking, and amazing humans around in World Chefs. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ahmed.